Hi friends, welcome to the special show of BFM 10 minutes. Okay, you know in BFM 10 minutes it's only name only 10 minutes, not beyond 10 minutes. I teach one topic which is very important from the exam point of view. I have covered various other earlier sessions also. So follow them till the end, everyone. Okay, let's start without wasting because we have only 10 minutes. Okay, only one concept. I won't cover more than one concept, and that also not beyond 10 minutes now. See here. Today I'll be covering the LC flow, letter of credit flow. Kindly note, LC flow means whenever you do these transactions, business transactions, there are three flows. Okay, whenever you do under the LC transaction, there are three flows. One is LC. LC starts from the issuing bank and goes to the seller. Then you have documents. Documents start from the seller and go to the issuing bank. And then you have money. Money starts from the issuing bank and goes to the seller. Getting this logic? Okay. So LC flow we will be discussing today. So one is LC flow. It starts from the LC flow. Second is documents flow. Documents flow, and third is money flow. Money flow. Okay, so you'll say, what about the goods? Goods are separate. Goods are between these. Goods lie over here. After the LC, goods are moved out. Okay, goods go to the this buyer. That I'll cover it in this second flow, documents flow. Today only LC flow. Only this part I'll cover. These two I'll be covering in the next topics. Okay, next 10 minutes. So, move on. Very fast, 10 minutes are there. See here, whenever a business starts, any business, what happens? There is a seller or exporter and there is a buyer or importer. Okay. What is the problem between the two? See here, if they know each other, then no problem. Okay. If they know each other, no problem. But if they don't know each other, here, if you and me know each other, then we'll be doing the business. Okay, you give me something, I'll pay you. Because we know each other, we trust each other. But if we don't know each other, you are in USA, I am in India, Bharat, then how will we trust each other? And we don't know, we have not dealt with each other. In that case, what happens? We go for LC. LC means letter of credit. Now here what happens? This buyer has to pay. See this. What is the logic? Buyer has to pay. But I don't trust that buyer. I am the seller, let's say. I don't trust that buyer. Wow, what do I know whether this guy will pay or not? So in that case, what do? I tell this buyer, oh, sir, I don't trust you. It's very clear, very frank. I don't trust you. You go to your bank, this bank. Let's call this issuing bank. Okay, issuing bank. You go to your bank, issuing bank over here, and get me the LC. Get me the LC. I am the seller. See here, where am I? Where am I in this? I am over here, seller. So I'll tell this buyer, you get me the LC from here to here. I want the LC only then. LC means what? What is LC? LC is a document called as documentary credit. It is a guarantee or the payment guarantee, primary payment guarantee from the issuing bank. What is primary payment guarantees here? There are two payment guarantees. One is primary, second is secondary. Primary means what? This issuing bank will say, I will pay you. You send me the documents. Whom is issuing bank saying? Issuing bank is telling me that I will pay you if you give me these 6, 7, 8 documents. What are documents they will be asking for? So I'll be paying you if you give me these documents. So now I can trust this issuing bank because this is a big bank. I won't be asking for LC from some local bank over here, right? So I'll be asking from big banks like Citibank, HSBC, any bank. So that bank will give me this primary payment guarantee that I will pay you. What is secondary payment guarantee? Secondary means it's in guarantees. If this buyer doesn't pay you, then I will pay you. That is secondary. But LC is primary. So this issuing bank will send me a LC. But what now the problem is with issuing bank also. Issuing bank will say, I don't know this guy. Does Citibank know me? No. Does HSBC know me? No. I am staying in, let's say, some Tamil Nadu or some local, very small village I am staying somewhere. Will Citibank trust me? So what will Citibank do? Citibank will find an agent in the country of this exporter, in my country. So Citibank will send a SWIFT LC to this agent. This agent is called as advising bank. Here, this agent is called as advising bank. Advising means what? Advise. Okay, so this Citibank will find this advising bank over here. So it will issue the LC through SWIFT. It will send through SWIFT. Right now it is SWIFT. Afterwards, SWIFT is going now. In this November, SWIFT is going. November 2025. SWIFT will no more be there. But let's continue for now. So issue the LC through SWIFT to the advising bank. Okay, advising bank. So this advising bank is its agent. Means it is knowing this. Citibank knows this bank. It can be anyone. It can be Citibank India also. Citibank Bharat. Okay, it can be Citibank India. It can be SBI. It can be PNB. Any bank with whom it has a tie-up. So it will send a SWIFT LC. Now what will this advising bank do? What is the role of this advising bank? This advising bank has two roles. What are the two roles? Look at these. Check the authenticity of the LC. It will check whether this LC which is received is correct or not. Means what? What do you mean by correct or not? What do you mean by this word? Correct or not? It means it will check whether the LC received is authentic or not. Means what? Again, there are many questions which arise. Authentic means what? So here it will check whether the LC which is received from the same bank. Same bank. Suppose if Citibank, the LC says LC from Citibank, it will check the authenticity using, there are various codes, various systems. Okay? Through which you can, BKE arrangement is there, through bilateral key arrangement, through that you can check. So it will check the authenticity of this LC, whether it is sent by that bank only, number one. Whether it is matching with our conditions, terms and conditions of our country, that also it will check. And next job is, it will take the printout of all the documents and send it to courier. Send it through courier to this seller. This LC, advising bank will take the printout of this LC which is received. Advising bank forwards LC to the beneficiary and collects advising charges. So courier charges, this bank is not doing it for free, right? So this bank will send this advising charges. So this is known as advising bank. So through this route, this LC reaches from the issuing bank to the seller beneficiary. Okay. Now next what will happen? Once this beneficiary receives this LC, now this beneficiary is sure. Beneficiary means what here? There are three names. One is exporter, beneficiary and seller. All the three are same. Okay. So this seller or beneficiary or exporter will now be confident. Yes, I have a LC from Citibank. I have a LC from HSBC in USA. Now it means I will definitely get the payment. So then he'll start processing the goods, manufacturing. And then these goods will be sent via sea or air, whatever. That I'll cover in the next part. That comes under the documents flow. So what were the three flows? One was LC flow, second is documents flow, and third is money flow. And in between the first two, there is a goods flow. That I'll cover it in the next topic. So that was this BFM 10 minutes again. But before going, everyone, I'll suggest you to, what you do first is join our batches. The new batches have just now started. Selection Pro batches. Join them ASAP. Okay? Because in details everything is covered. Numericals, objective questions, everything is covered. So join them ASAP. Okay?